I wanna hear you say that you only want me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be bringing you 6 Father's Day gift ideas, and I also have a giveaway and a coupon code to share with you guys, so definitely stay tuned for that. Now, just like I did in my Mother's Day gift idea video, I am going to be including some DIYs, some gifts that you can kind of put together yourself, but you can still kind of buy them, and then the other part is just some things that you can just buy if you don't really have time or you want to do a store-bought gift. So I will kind of have a little bit of everything for you guys, and I again wanted to make sure to pick things that I think can go for pretty much any guy. So they're like pretty general but pretty like useful things and really nice things. So let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so the first gift idea I have is a little pair of slippers, and I got these ones from Walmart. I really like them. I thought they were just like a nice neutral, they're like a dark grayish black color, but I got them from Walmart, and they have a little like lip at the end. I will try and link them below for you guys if you're interested, but I'm totally into like little cute like cheesy sayings, and so we just stuck some popcorn packets in here and then also some pistachios, but you can choose like whatever their favorite snacks are. And I just did a little play on words and said, "Hey Pop, we're nuts about you." So I thought that was super fun and super cute. And it's also a useful gift because they can use the slippers and just kind of relax around the house. They can put in some popcorn, have some snacks, and there's just like a nice night for them to have to relax. So this is my very first gift idea. So the second gift idea I have is a JORD watch. I am actually very familiar with this brand. I've been kind of following them for quite some time, and it's been on my list to get my husband one. So they reached out to me recently and asked if I would be interested in offering a coupon code for you guys and a giveaway. And I was like, absolutely, that sounds perfect, especially with Father's Day coming up. So I am so excited that they have decided to offer that for you guys. But JORD Watches is a really high quality watch brand, and they specialize in wood watches. And so like the band, if you can see, the band is actually completely made out of wood. It's so nice and super high quality. I love them before I got the watch, and now that I have it in my hand, like it is so nice. They do have women's watches and they also have men's watches, and a ton of them are like unisex as well. So they have everything you're looking for, but for this video, being a Father's Day gift idea, definitely you want to go with a men's watch. And I do have a coupon code for you guys. If you are interested in checking out JORD watches, you will get $25 off of your order, as well as free sizing. So that is really awesome. I'm really excited that they decided to offer me a coupon code for you guys, and I will just leave that up on the screen for you guys and also down in the description box. And then for the giveaway, they are offering a $139 credit to the winner. And all you have to do is, of course, be subscribed, because this is for my subscribers. And then I will leave a link down below where you can go and actually enter into the giveaway. So definitely check that out. I cannot say enough good things about this watch already. I just know that we are going to love it. And I also forgot to mention, but look at the box that it comes in. Like, they pay so much attention to detail. It is just like a wooden box, and then it also is magnetized so the top will stay on. It comes with the watch, obviously. And then it has just some paperwork and a little cloth to clean it. And even in this bottom little drawer, you guys really, like, they paid so much attention to detail. They have this little oil to kind of like keep the wood on your watch looking and feeling really nice. So definitely check them out. Like I said, I was already a fan of them before I got the watch, and I got it, and I've just been like looking at it and checking it out, and it's amazing. So definitely check this watch out, you guys. Okay, so the third gift idea is a joke jar, a dad joke jar. If your dad or your husband is anything like mine are, they love dad jokes. They specialize in dad jokes. I mean, they're so terrible that they're hilarious, but I thought that this would be just really like cute and fun. And so what I did is I actually just went online and found a bunch of different jokes, and I went and got some popsicle sticks and wrote down like a bunch of jokes with the answer on the back and just stuck it in this jar that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just think this is going to be so fun. If they're ever in need of a joke, they have a little joke jar. I know this is going to make them laugh, and it's just one of those really sweet, super inexpensive, but super thoughtful gifts, and pretty funny too. So this is my gift idea number 3. So my fourth gift idea is a DIY ceramic mug, and this is totally cute because you can completely customize it. And it's something that's DIY that's like so personalized, and it's something that they can use forever. I just love this idea. So we made one for my husband and also for their papa, but you can make it however you want. So how we made these ones is we actually just took little alphabet stickers and we put them on saying whoever this was for, like dad or papa or grandpa, or you could say we love you, just whatever you want. And then we put these little star stickers on as well. And the boys colored the mugs however they liked with a Sharpie marker. And then once that was dried, we went ahead and took the stickers off. And then you actually bake it in your oven for 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And then I just let it sit in the oven until it cools down, and then I take them out just to kind of make sure they're completely done. And sometimes the colors do darken just a little bit, but this is such a fun gift idea. It includes your kids, and you can do them however you want. Like this is one we actually made years ago. So this was Liam when he was like a year and a half old or 2 years. And then Luke had written and drawn his brothers, just like a little picture. So you can definitely just draw pictures, or you can do as we did this year and actually use the stickers and kind of write it on that way. But this is just such a fun gift idea, and I know my husband and their papas are going to love these. Now my fifth gift idea is actually a movie pass, and then just a few little goodies that they can take to the movies with them. And you can do this a few different ways. You can get them just like one ticket for them to go on their own and just have like some alone time, or you can get them a ticket enough to pay for everybody, or if it's from you, you can do it to you, for you and your husband, or for like you and your dad, however you want to do it. But it's just like a fun idea to get them an actual gift card to go to the movies and then get them just a few of their snacks. I just love this. I am actually doing this for my husband, and I think that this will be a lot of fun, and we just got enough for our whole family to go with him. So yeah, this is like really easy. Really, it can be like a very last minute gift, but it's still really thoughtful because you're including like the things that they love, and then they get to pick the movie as well. So when I was coming up with Father's Day gift ideas, I actually was just going to plan on doing 5, but when I was at the store, I saw these little containers, or I'm not sure exactly what you'd call them, and I thought, okay, I have to do something with these. They are so cute. These are from Walmart, and they were only $2.97, so like under $3, and they have one that says Best Dad, and on the back it has the same thing but just no metal. And then this one says Papa Bear, which I had to get this because that's what I call my dad, is Papa Bear. Like in my phone, that's what he is. So I thought that was just really cute. So you can do this for your dad or your grandpa, whatever you want. And then inside, I just put a little thing from the Dollar Tree of hugs and kisses. And then I also included these little Reese's Pieces candies. I know that they both love those candies, and so it's just kind of fun for them. And on here, I got this little clip from the Target dollar spot, I think last fall, but you can find these at Michael's, at Hobby Lobby, at the Target dollar spot, at Dollar Tree, anywhere. You can find them all over. And so I just wrote, "We love you to pieces, hugs and kisses." So again, it was like a cheesy little play on the candies that we put in here, but it's still really fun. And then I love that this would be useful afterwards. They can use this in their office, and they can put pens in here or just whatever. But I thought these were just really, really cute gift ideas as well. And again, I did get these at Walmart, so they have them this year. They are so, so cute, and they really seem like high quality. So this is my last gift idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely leave me a comment down below if you have a gift idea that I didn't mention today that you really love, or which of the ones that I shared today were your favorite. I would love to hear what you guys think. And do not forget to go check out that giveaway, and also use that coupon code if you're interested in checking out JORD watches for yourself or your husband or your dad or anybody. And do not forget to subscribe and follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one.